you remember the size of the shirt?
Yes.
Can you state that for the court?
That is a pronoun referring to which one? When he reached out or what the size of the shirt was?
The size of the shirt. Smart.
But respectfully, I don't believe he asked for the size of a shirt. He only told me the size of a hoodie, for the record.
Okay. The size of a hoodie.
Medium.
What do you gauge? Like, is it a true to fit? Is it, is it big, like blazer big, like some of your blazers? Is it?
No, I would say. I'm sorry, I'll let you finish.
How would you? I'm stuck. I'm actually stuck. Help.
I would say they fit about the same size as those Valencia trophy hoodies that you wear.
Oh, so rather ridiculous.
A little bit.
Okay, absolutely. All right, so is there any reason why you continue to ignore my client after you reached out a couple of times to see if you were going to have that in stock? Was there any reason why you chose to ignore this client in particular?
Objection. That's his opinion, Your Honor.
Yeah, can he answer the question?
I'll allow it. Mr. Rawsteen, please, no more outbursts.
His opinion.
Mr. Rawsteen, you will be... Mr. Rawsteen, you will be removed. Ask Miss Rita. It just happened.
Am I answering the question, Your Honor?
Yes.
Okay, so by my recollection of what you just said, and the spaces are being recorded, you said why I chose to ignore him on multiple occasions. I did not. He reached out to me one time back in September. However, I did not ignore him.
Where's the evidence? Do you have any evidence?
Yes, Your Honor. May I address your attention towards the...
Oh, yes, Miss Rita. Now you have a chance to do it. It's your go.
Yes, no problem, Your Honor. I do apologize for my previous behaviors. However, I would like to address your attention to the Jumbotron. Civil War was, in fact, in August, as well as we have updated evidence from the messages in the DM. Your client and that legal team presented you false evidence.
Okay, let me look over this. One second.
False evidence? What? Well, by all means,
Mr. Happens. I don't want this to happen again. Proceed, Rita.
Your Honor, I do apologize.
I do apologize, Your Honor, for those outbursts from the prosecution. However, my evidence has been presented.
Let me look over this. Okay, Mr. Happens. When did your client inbox Anwar? The date on that? I need the date on that.
September 11th.
And Civil War was what?
Miss Rita, I think she's...
No, I'm talking to you.
August 27th.
I'm talking to you, Mr. Happens.
Oh, seems on the flyer that's often leaked, bootlegged, altered. I don't even know if this is an actual flyer because it's...
Your Honor, I object. This is straight from the URL's page.
Oh,
There's no fraudulent evidence
This is straight
presented.
from the URL page with the blue check. Mr. Happens, no, it's not going to happen.
August 28th.
And when did your client... Okay, so when did your client say he hit Anwar up?
He said, I need merch, September 11th.
And he said this was before Civil War, correct?
Can we bring it back up to the stands?
No. Answer the question. Answer the question.
Your Honor?
Answer the question, Mr. Happens.
I cannot remember, Your Honor.
Oh, you can't remember.
At this time, may I ask for this case to be removed? Can we dismiss this case at this point?
Okay. Yeah. Let me go over this. Doc.
Yes, Your Honor.
We're gonna do a light recess really quickly. Let's go over this. See, they're requesting to dismiss this case.
Yes, Your Honor, my client still hasn't spoke. My client hasn't even spoke. This is absolutely preposterous.
Recess, Mr. Happens. We're gonna take a light recess, then I'm gonna come back and let your client speak. I pretty much have my judgment already, but yeah, I'll be right back.
As we are on recess, let's speak freely. Also, my legal team, once we get past this part, I know that of FaZe and Dr. Thurgood Marshall Jones would like to bring up something that is of the utmost importance to me as the person being on trial here. So if you have to move people, I guess you can move Rita and Brizz down, just for the record though.